Is the Xbox app not opening or crashing on your Windows PC? Don't worry. In this video, I'll show you a few quick fixes to get the Xbox app working again on Windows 10 and Windows 11. Let's get started. First, click on the Start menu and open the Settings app. From the left-hand menu, select Apps, then click on Installed Apps. At the top, use the search bar and type Xbox. Once you find the Xbox app, click the three dots next to it and choose Advanced Options. Scroll down until you see the Reset section. First, click Repair. This will try to fix the app without deleting your data. Wait for the process to finish. If the app is still not working, click Reset, then click Reset again to confirm. Keep in mind that this will reset the app to its default settings. Once the reset is complete, launch the Xbox app again and see if it's working properly. If you're still having the same issue, restart your computer and try opening the app one more time. And that's how you can fix the Xbox app not working or opening on Windows 10 and Windows 11. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more helpful tech tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.